Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Instagram Stories. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two different ways to add music or a soundtrack to your Instagram Stories. This will work in any of the shooting modes. I'm just going to take a normal photo, and then I'm going to show you the first way to add music to your Instagram Stories. Okay, so the first way we're going to add music, click on the smiley face icon in the upper right where all the stickers are. Next, we're going to tap on this one that says Music. Instagram has provided a huge library of music they are adding to all the time. You can search by popular, you can choose search by moods, or you can also search by genres. There's a search bar up top if you want to search for a particular song or artist. When you want to preview a song, click on the little play icon on the far right. That'll just preview what the song sounds like, so you can go through and pick the right song. And when you want to add a song to your Instagram story, just tap on the cover art on the far left side. If you change your mind, you can always click on the cover art that'll bring you back into the library. Take this little slider to get to the part of the song that you want to play. To change the duration of this snippet, you can tap on this where it says 7 seconds. You can choose between 5 seconds and 15 seconds. 15 seconds being the longest that a clip can be in Instagram Stories. You can press stop to stop the preview there. When you're happy with your selection, just click on the done in the upper right corner. You can tap on this for some more options. You can rotate it. You can do all sorts of things that you normally can with a sticker. You can also pin it. If it was a video, you can press and hold on it to pin it to a part of your video. And if you want to delete it, you can always just drag it to the trash can like you can anything else. And if you want back into music, you can tap it and add another song. When you're happy with everything, just click on the plus so you can add it to your story. So the second way that we're going to add music, or if you want to do a little lip syncing, if you come down here in the modes, you'll see that there's a new option for music. It works the exact same way of finding music. You can search for it. You can go by popular, by mood. You can go by genres. Add it by just clicking on the cover art. In music mode, you can drag this little slider to a part of the song that you want to record a video to, okay? You can preview it by clicking the little play icon there. You can also go back to the main library by clicking on the cover art. That'll bring you back to the library if you want to choose a new song. So when you find a part of the song that you want to record your video to, you can just press on the shutter button just like you would any other Instagram stories. You can also add a face filter if you want to add a little cool face filter. When you're ready to record, press on the shutter button and you have up to 15 seconds to record a clip in Instagram stories. So now you can tap on this if you want to get some more options. You can rotate this around. You can do all the normal things you can in Instagram Stories. Click done. When you're ready, just click plus and you can add it to your stories. That is how you add music or a soundtrack to your Instagram Stories. You can do so down below using the music shooting mode or up above using the sticker icon after you take a video or a photo. That is your quick tip. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.